If you're looking to create videos with animated text in Descript, you're in the right place. In this quick Descript guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make eye-catching animated text that can elevate your videos, whether it's for YouTube, marketing content, or anything in between. And if you stick around till the end, I've got an exclusive offer for you that'll make it easier to get started without any upfront cost. First, let's dive into Descript's power when it comes to animated text. Descript isn't just about editing audio or video, it has powerful tools for text animation that will make your content pop. The first thing you'll need to do is open Descript and start a new project. Once your media is uploaded, you'll find the transcript of your video automatically generated. This is where the magic starts. Everything is automatically transcribed and laid out for you. Now, for the text animation, head to the Text tab on the timeline. You can start typing your text or select existing text from the transcript. If you're looking to animate the text, Descript gives you simple yet powerful ways to do so. You can use the built-in text effects like fade-in, pop-in, or typewriter effects. Just drag and drop your desired effect directly onto the timeline. If you want something more unique, there are customization options where you can change the font, size, and color of your text to match your brand or style. This is where Descript truly shines, turning simple text into attention-grabbing animations without needing any complicated software. You can also sync your text animations with your audio, making sure your text appears at just the right moment. Let's say you want to emphasize a specific word or phrase that was said in the audio. Descript lets you do that with perfect timing, giving your video that polished professional look. The software even allows you to adjust the duration of each animation, so you can control how fast or slow the text moves across the screen. You can also layer text animations with video clips or images to create even more dynamic visuals. When it comes to editing, you'll be able to trim your text animations quickly to keep everything smooth and fluid. This feature is especially useful if you're working on tight deadlines, like for a marketing campaign or product launch. Descript's timeline makes it easy to adjust and fine-tune all your animations, ensuring that every detail aligns perfectly with the overall video. But here's the best part. You don't need to have any special graphic design skills to make professional quality animated text. Descript's intuitive interface makes it incredibly easy for beginners to create impressive video content. You don't need to mess around with After Effects or expensive tools. Descript brings all of this functionality into one place. And while we're talking about easy-to-use features, let's not forget that you can also add music and sound effects right inside Descript. When you're ready to export your video, Descript allows you to download it in various formats so you can share it on social media, YouTube, or any other platform. Now, if you're wondering how to get started with Descript, good news. You can try out the software for free from the first link in the description below. And if you decide to dive deeper, I've got an exclusive extended free trial that'll give you even more time to explore all of Descript's powerful features. So, if you're serious about creating polished professional videos with animated text that stand out, this is the tool you need. And with that extended free trial, you'll have everything you need to get started without spending a dime. If you're ready to step up your video creation game, don't miss out on this offer. Check out the first link in the description for your exclusive trial today.